Hey there! Welcome to our tutorial on how to stop auto-refreshing on X, formerly Twitter. If you're frustrated with your feed constantly refreshing, we've got you covered. First, let's start by disabling background data to prevent X from refreshing when you're not actively using it. Head over to your phone settings, then find Apps and Notifications, or just Apps, depending on your device. Locate X, Twitter, from the list. Tap on Data Usage and turn off background data. This stops the app from refreshing in the background, giving you more control over your experience. Next, you can force stop the app to make sure it's completely closed. Go back to Settings, open Apps and Notifications, select X, Twitter, and tap Force Stop. This ensures the app doesn't restart processes that might trigger auto-refreshing. By following these steps, you can enjoy a smoother browsing experience without unwanted interruptions. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tips. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.